What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Drop here, and today I got another video for y'all. We gonna end up trying to fix that third brake light on the Escalade. But see, the thing is, I'm doing the newer, well, it's not newer mod, but remind you, I have a 04 Escalade ESV. I'm gonna be using the third brake light from a 2007 through 2014. I guess it's GMT 900, so like one of the 07 to 14 Suburban, Yukon, Denali's, they come with a different style light that will actually mount with a little bit of modification to the Escalades and the Tahoe glass. So I am gonna try and get that light put in there today and see if I can actually get a working third brake mount. So y'all stay tuned. Here go the intro, and I'll see y'all when I get into it.
I know it's storming right now, we gon' see some better days. Back in the booth, and that's the only way I can meditate. Off the beans and lean, but thought process is hella straight. Went through some shit, had to peep, play and reevaluate. Past couple days, niggas been pushing me like hell. Got they ass beat mad, cause we ain't in the cell. Fuck, Lord, I need you, cause later call on dudes need help. Fighting with myself, still putting shit to rest.
Alright, YouTube, so one of the first things I did, as y'all know, or have seen in the previous videos, my third mirror or third brake is missing completely. So I took it all the way out. Now that I got these three pilot holes right here, don't 100% line up. But what does line up is your center hole. So you take the clip as it comes in here stock, it'll be sitting like that. As you can see, I drilled a hole right here where it does line up on the window. And I took the, I think I had the stock clip out. Basically, I took the stock clip out, flipped it around, pushed it down in there, and that's where I'm gonna mount the light to the window over there. All right, y'all, so we got it up here. As you can see, my old light was removed. What I did do, I used my cutoff wheel, and I hit the edges right there, so that they'll clear my little thing back on the back. And currently, let me not get that directly on the roof. Currently, I'm wiring it in. I've already checked, I made sure, and I got all of the pixels. So I'm wiring it in. You're gonna have to test it. It's only one way it can go in. So try it one way, it don't work. Flip it over, try it the next way. This is not a permanent install. I am gonna get this color matched to the truck with some other touch-up paint. So right now we just taping it in and getting it mounted. And I will go ahead and run my double-sided tape there to keep it from leaking. And I'm gonna cut y'all back on whenever I get done. You can center it using the top portion of the glass right there. Once I got it centered, all I gotta do is find my center hole right there. Get that bolt started. See, I put washers on it. It's gonna be a little tight because, I mean, of course, it ain't a perfect fit. It ain't meant for this truck, but once you get it started, I'm gonna double check up top, make sure it's still centered. Yep, we lined up right there on the edge. Push her over a little more right here on the edge. And then I can cinch it on down. And that should hold. Listen to the window and be gentle. Like that right there. And we done. Oh, left my stopper in here. Take my stopper out. And we mount it. Damn, that's actually on there pretty tight. So now I'm gonna cut y'all on while I hit that brake pedal, see what it looked like. My first time seeing it, it's gonna be when I go back and watch this video. Yeah, I don't know what it looked like until I watched the video. Hopefully it did work and everything. That's gonna be it for today, YouTube. Just took a little lunch break in order to go ahead and knock out a little mod. Like I said, the double-sided tape is coming later, and I'm actually getting paint matched with the black of the car. And it's a lot cheaper than $300 for the actual ESV light, and it don't look too bad. I know that they do have the one that go all the way across, but this one right here is gonna be cheaper to replace if anything does happen. So I appreciate y'all watching, staying tuned, and I'll see y'all in the next video.